Permasafe is the amazing embedment coating that we apply to the base of all our ductile iron poles. It is extremely resistant to damage but can get chipped or scraped if not handled properly. Today we're going to show you how to repair any damage that may occur. Induron makes this two-part epoxy coating, and if needed they can supply a repair kit that consists of two 1-gallon cans. There's a part A and a part B to this epoxy. Some of the things you'll need to do this repair are some rags. I have a good wire brush, a hammer, I have a good scraper, I have some rubber gloves, a paint roller with a paint roller brush on there, a pan, a roller paint pan or something similar. I have some stirring sticks, some stirring paint sticks, or like a mixing paddle. That's what I use, of course, and your two-part epoxies. There's also a written instruction on how to do repair like this, and you should read through this before beginning. I'm going to remove the loose parts of the damaged coating with a scraper and then smooth it out with a file or a wire brush. You can also use a wire wheel grinder for this step and it works well. You just need to remove the damaged parts until you're into the well-adhered coated area. Make sure all the dust and debris is wiped clear. Once the pole is prepared, you can mix the epoxy and apply. Mix it with one part A and one part B. If you have multiple repairs to do, especially in different locations, it is best to mix it in small batches. Once the epoxy is mixed, you have about 15 minutes until it starts to set up. You can roll it or brush it. Apply a nice thick coat to the damaged portion and make sure you overlap into the well-adhered area. We often get asked about applying extra Permasafe in the field if a pole is going to be buried a little deeper than originally planned. The standard is to have the Permasafe 1 foot above the ground line, but if you want more than that, then the procedure is similar to a repair. I have wire brushed this pole and made sure the surface was clean and dry. I will apply a masking tape to where I want the coating to stop and then mix and apply the Permasafe like I did before. The epoxy will start to set up in about 15 minutes. But it will be a little tacky for a while depending on the temperature. That is how to apply Permasafe embedment coating in the field for a repair or for some extra depth. If you have any more questions about this, please feel free to reach out to us here at McWane Poles.